Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to check and maybe refill your brake fluid of a Mercedes-Benz C180 Coupe. Open the car hood and have a look on the right side. If you're standing in front of the car, there it is. Under this cover, there is a brake fluid tank. Let's open the cover by pressing and pulling it upwards. The brake fluid continuously absorbs moisture from the air. That means you have to let the cover every time on top of the brake fluid tank, as you can see. And there it is, the brake fluid tank. This results in the boiling point of the brake fluid lowering. If the boiling point of the brake fluid is too low, vapor pockets may form when the brakes are subjected to a heavy load. This would impair braking efficiently. Now open the cover and there it is, the brake fluid tester. Yeah, we did checking the brake fluid level by looking at the side, and the brake fluid level has to be in the area of maximum and minimum. Now lift up the second cover, and then you are able to check the brake fluid quality. As you can see, there are so many LEDs. The first LED is for battery. The second and the third LED is telling you that the brake fluid is okay. And if the fourth or fifth brake fluid LED is lights up, then you have to replace the brake fluid immediately. So this brake fluid is good and the level is good too. So replace all things together and take care. Check this maybe 2 times a year and then replace all. Do the cover on top, press it back in position, and have a good ride again. Good job. Easy going, but it's so important to check your brake fluid often. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.